Hey folks, it's Clay with Servpro. It's our Friday afternoon employee spotlight. Today I've got Matt Holland with us. Matt is one of our senior production managers here at Servpro. We've been walking you through all the things that go on whenever you have a water loss. Production managers are the guys that actually put boots on the ground and make things happen. So Matt, how you doing today, man?
Doing pretty good. Doing good.
Tell us about what you do. Loss comes in, Rochelle takes it, it goes to Casey, and then it lands on your iPhone, and then what happens after that?
So I call the homeowner, and what I'll do is kind of just ask a couple questions, find out how much water might be on the ground, how many rooms are affected, maybe find out what kind of building materials we might be dealing with there. Once I know what those are, I can then tell the crew what they need to bring. You know, sometimes if we've got hardwood floor that's affected, we want to know that up front, so we can bring some specialty drying equipment to deal with that.
So you can dry out hardwoods?
We can.
Okay.
We can dry out hardwoods and save them in some cases. Sometimes they have to be sanded and refinished.
So once you get there, what can the homeowner expect? When you roll up in their driveway in this big old truck, what happens next?
So I meet with the homeowner, we do a walkthrough of the house. We get the work authorization signed, go over some paperwork with them, and we let them know that we can get it taken care of either right then and there and the crew's on their way, or if they've got dinner that night they want to deal with and push it off till tomorrow, we can be accommodating that way as well.
So what's the house like, Matt, when all this starts going on? Somebody's had a water loss, and you get there. Now we'll assume that they've gotten that water turned off. So we come in, and I know we've got to bring in big vacuums, and sometimes those are attached to the truck, sometimes they're portables. But we keep talking about this equipment. What can they expect?
So we'll first go in with extractors. Like you said, either a truck mount or a portable extractor, depending upon the accessibility of the house and where it's located. Once the water is extracted, we'll then bring in some dehumidifiers and air movers, as well as an air filtration device to run to then dry out the house. Some demolition may have to be done, and depending upon the age of the home, whether it's pre-1980 or after, we'll have to get some asbestos testing done on some possible asbestos-containing materials.
So what things can the homeowner do? What's best left to the professionals?
Really, if the homeowner gets the water turned off, that's going to be great. And if any valuables that they've got that they want to move or at least bring to our attention, they've got, grandmother's piano and it's sitting in water and they want us to move that first and foremost, let's go ahead and grab that guy, move that, get it on some blocks and start saving some of those precious heirlooms and things like that they've got in their home.
And then how long does it take? Because I know you set up fans and you set up dehumidifiers, and that's loud and that makes it hot.
Yeah, it's depending upon what we're drying out. Hardwood floor system, the mat system is one of the loudest things we have. But it can take anywhere from 3 to 5 days to do a dry out. It just depends on whether or not the moisture is a bound moisture inside the material.
Gotcha. So what else would you say that a homeowner needs to know if Servpro's coming out to take care of a water accident, whether it's a toilet backup or the water heater exploded, or they've called their insurance agent and they said, you're not going to believe what just happened. What else do they need to know when Servpro's on the way?
If they can find out claim information, so get a claim number, get an adjuster's name, find out who the desk adjuster is that's handling it. That way I can call that person and we can streamline the process. I mean, if we don't have a claim number when we show up, it's not the end of the world, but we'll have to call, find out who that is, and get some approvals for running some of the equipment that we've got. That is a specialty kind of equipment we need approvals for first.
That all sounds expensive.
Some of it is. It is not. Restoration can be an expensive process, but more times than not, the insured is out their deductible, and the insurance company comes in and takes care of the rest.
So their homeowner's policy takes care of the bill, so they don't have to worry about writing you a big check.
That's correct. Yeah, when we get there, unless it states in the policy that we're supposed to collect the deductible up front or at some point in during our 3 or 4 day dry out, we will collect the deductible. But if not, we can actually go ahead and do the job, maybe collect the deductible at the back end, or we can just talk with the insurance company, which is the important thing, to have that information first to find out if we're just sending the bill to them.
Right. Okay. I appreciate your time. I know you got a bunch to do.
Yes. No problem.
So have at it. There you go, folks. So when you've got a water loss, you've got a fire loss, you think you might have a problem, you can always give us a call. We'll talk for free. And then the rest of it, we're going to send the bill to your insurance company. Y'all have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.